make a shortcut to reach El Chiflon Waterfalls, and we just are in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of, I don't know, lands and indigenous lands. Google Maps sometimes just is crazy, and we just ended up in some crazy roads like this one. Even when we don't want to make off-roads, we did it. We can start to spot from the road the waterfalls. Wait, you need to know that in Mexico they have some problem with the, how do you call topes? The bump? Bumpers everywhere, every 50 meters. This one.
And you cannot see them, like...
They're always hidden. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are at the Cascadas El Chiflon.
El Chiflon?
Or Chiflon.
Chiapas, Mexico.
There is a trail and you can reach all the waterfalls. And in the first part of the trail you can camp and you can make barbecue, you can swim. It's like a balneario area, so you can just swim in the swimming pool and take a bath. And then from this point on you start making all the stairs up to the waterfalls. There are different viewpoints.
Yes. And different waterfalls, not just one, but there are more than 4 or 5.
With the drone you can see better the level of the waterfalls and all the pools. It's really steep, so if you just want to enjoy, chill, relax, you can stay in that area. If you want to just climb, you can hike up to the waterfalls.
Let's go.
When you arrive at the entrance, you can choose if you want to pay, and you can choose this entrance here and you will stay on this side of the river, or you can pay the other company and you will be on the other side of the river.
The entrance for the waterfalls is 30 pesos per person, and if you want to camp here inside in the camping area or in the parking lot like we did, it's 35 pesos per person.
From this point to La Cascada Velo de Novia is the first one. There are 718 meters. Let's go!
This one is the first waterfall. The name is Cascada Suspiro.
The second waterfall is Cascada El Chiflon. We missed 258 meters sulla cascata del Velo de Novia.
This one is Cascada Velo de Novia.
Guess why?
at the top.
At the top.
And it's 850 meters from here where we are. Now we are 750 from where we parked the car, lucky you. So it's quite a bit to get up there, and from now on it's all stairs, so it's quite hard to get up there.
Okay, we reached the first 758 meters now, and you are like in the middle. If you want to reach the top of the waterfalls, here are other 810 meters to do. Let's climb, Luca.
Let's go. The last 300 meters are really steep and really hard to do.
Yeah, it's like this. But we are doing it.
We are doing it. We never stop.
Last 100 meters. Yes.
Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Pam, 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 pam.
This is the road, and then this is all the trail you will hike. Guys, we have reached the top. Almost 1 kilometer and 600 meters high.
From the water. Ooh, it's really cold.
Las tonalidades azules se deben a que el fondo de la cama del río es blanco, es de roca y arenas de caliza. Cuando la luz penetra en el agua clara hasta su fondo blanco, se filtran todos los colores menos el azul. Este se refleja y regresa de vuelta a la superficie del agua. por ello vemos tonos azules. So we see the color blue of the water, as you can see here.
Rain season, in the rain season the
yeah.
water brings the mud, and this is dry season when like we are now.
And the color is so really blue because the bed of the river is white, completely white, so the light reflects every color instead of the blue. So what we see is the blue, and it's really nice.